shaken near Kimbe, Talasea District, West New Britain Province, by an earthquake of magnitude 6.2 only 26 minutes ago, the United States Geological Survey reported. The quake hit at a moderately shallow depth of 38.2 kilometers beneath the epicenter near Kimbe, Talasea District, West New Britain Province, Papua New Guinea, in the morning on Sunday, February 26, 2023, at 7:24 a.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, which listed it as a magnitude 6.2 earthquake as well. Other agencies reporting the same quake include Geoscience Australia, GEOAU, at magnitude 6.2, the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology, IRIS, at magnitude 6.5, Italy's National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, at magnitude 6.3, the Citizen Seismograph Network of Raspberry Shake at magnitude 6.2, France's Réseau National de Surveillance Sismique, RENAS, at magnitude 5.5, and the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, at magnitude 6.2.